I'm using eggs, carrot, green pepper, some spinach and onion to make my very healthy breakfast. So I will start by cutting my carrot, my green pepper and my onion. I'm just going to cut them into small cubes. When I'm done, I will also go ahead and cut my spinach, but for spinach you don't really have to take your time to cut them into small pieces, just cut them anyhow. And then I went ahead and break my eggs into a bowl. I added in some Maggi, or you can use any type of seasoning that you want, like black pepper. I also added in just a little bit of salt. So in a pot with just a little cooking oil, I added in my carrots, my green pepper and my onions, and then I added in a sprinkle of salt to just make sure that it's going to cook so fast, because you know sometimes we don't have time, especially in the morning. When our carrots and the onions and green pepper are cooked like 80%, I went ahead and added in my spinach. At this point you don't have to do a lot, all you have to do is just mix, because the spinach doesn't take much time to cook, and we don't want to cook them all the way because we're going to add in some eggs, so they still have time to cook. So what I'm doing, I'm now spreading my spinach, all my vegetables all over the pot so that I can pour some eggs on top of them. So I'm now going to let it cook. You can now see that the bottom is cooked already, so I'll go ahead and make sure that those liquid eggs go at the bottom of the pot. You know, this breakfast doesn't really take much time. It takes few minutes to cook, so yeah. And now I'm going to go ahead and scramble my eggs and vegetables because I want it scrambled. Yeah, that's how I cooked this breakfast. It's so easy to cook, so try it. It's so good and it's so delicious. Oh my god. And you can, and you know those whole like eggs, you can cook this and eat it with something else. It doesn't have to be breakfast. And yes, yeah, that's it. It was so good, very good, very nice. So please subscribe so that we can keep on making videos. Yes, please subscribe and don't hesitate to give a thumbs up to this video if you really enjoyed watching it. And yeah, see you next Friday. Yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe.